In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to install Bandlab on your PC. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. There's basically two ways you can actually get this done, which I'm going to be showing you on this video. But in order for you to actually get the Bandlab on your device, the first step you need to take is to go to any browser on your device, either Chrome, Opera Mini or Edge. Depending on the one you have on your device, you can actually use Firefox as well. So right here is my PC, and that's the home page of my PC. I'm going to simply go to my Chrome because I actually have the Chrome on my PC. So the next step you need to take is to simply type in bandlab.com. You can go ahead and type it just like this and click on the search button. Then go ahead and click on the first link you're seeing right here. So this is simply what you're going to be able to see once you click on the link. This is what the homepage of the app website is going to appear as. So right here on the screen, you can see where it says get started. So you need to go ahead and click on that like this. So when you do that, when you click on get started, this is what you're going to be able to see. You can simply input your first name, your email and your password, as well as your date of birth, so you can be able to sign up into your account. But if you already have an account, you can simply click on login right here. You can see the option of login right here. So once you click on login like this, so once you click on login, they're going to actually ask you to input your username and password. Then you can go ahead and click on login and you'll be able to log into your account. So this is the first way you can actually get the Bandlab app on your device, by using the web version of the app. The second way you can simply get this on your device is by clicking on apps. You can see the apps option at the top right corner right here. Once you click on that, you're going to see the option of downloading it to your PC. But as you can see here, the only option available here is iOS and Android, unlike before where there is actually an option for you to install it on your PC. So the option of installing it on your PC is no longer available, as you can see here. So the only option you have in order for you to use it on your PC is to use the web version. So this is basically how you can actually get the Bandlab app on your PC. There is no two ways about it. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. Like this video, drop a comment, tell me if this video is actually helpful to you or not, and tell me as well if you would want me to make any other topic for you on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.